morning and welcome to Aruba. Today we're running a UTV all day, and then if we do have time, we're going to the Antilla Shipwreck. So let's go get off this ship and explore Aruba. After about a 20-minute walk from the cruise port, we made it to George's Cycles. Here's our UTV for the day. This costs about $230 per man. Like I said, from George's Cycle. So let's hit the road. All right, we're on the road in our UTV. First stop, California Lighthouse. So let's hit the road, headed there. If any of you guys watched our Bermuda cruise series on Liberty of the Seas, you know I love this thing after that small electric rental car we had. Because this thing, you can actually give it the beans and it moves. Running a vehicle on an island when you have the time, you get to drive the coast. I can already see a shipwreck right there. I kind of want to go out to that. I'm not going to lie. But this is just incredible. This is the best way to experience an island. There it is, the California Lighthouse. Time to put up the drone. Alright, well, we're preparing to do the off-road section of this UTV trail, so I had to put a bandana on because it is going to get dusty. Let's go rip some of these back roads and see some beautiful sights. So we're at our second stop, which is Seroe Beach. This is just a quick stop. It looks like there's some good waves that are breaking on the shore. I'm gonna climb up this, see if I can get a good view. Nice little mountain over there. Look at all the cactuses up there. Wow. All right, well, onward to the waves. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a big one. Woohoo! Stop number 3, Alto Vista Chapel. The Alto Vista Chapel is a Catholic chapel that was completed in 1952 but stands in the original location of the first chapel that was built in 1750. We're at our fourth stop, which is Wariruri Beach. Now, I know I'm probably mispronouncing a lot of these, but I'm trying my best. This is a pretty cool natural bridge here. Feels really cool under here, which is nice. We're at stop 5, which is the Bushiribana Gold Mill ruins. We're going to go up here, climb around a little bit. It's definitely really cool in here, but it is busy because it's a popular stop. Even though it's busy, the views up here are incredible. And over this way, you can see the stretch of back roads that we came down, and it's all off-roading. It's incredible. I highly recommend getting a UTV if you have a long port day in Aruba. But back to the UTV because we still have more stops to go. Okay, I'm switching the GoPro because we have arrived at Secret Pool. So we're gonna go head down this ladder and hopefully we can find the spot to jump in real quick. A little sketchy. Oh, this is cool once you get down here though. Another little ladder here. All right, looks like I'm jumping in. Oh, this is awesome in here. That has to be one of the nicest KFCs I've ever seen. And also, that Taco Bell is nice. I guess you can get whatever you want here in Aruba. Right now we're at our last stop of Seroe Colorado. I'm going to be putting my drone up to get shots of the natural bridge. Then after that we're headed to the Antilla Shipwreck. All right, we think we got to the right spot for our excursion, but we're about to find out. We're back from our excursion with Private Snorkel Aruba, and it was just the two of us on that ship. It cost us $160 for an hour, but to be the only ones on that tour made it 100% worth it, and the Antilla Shipwreck was incredible. And a little history about the Antilla Shipwreck. It was a German freighter ship off the coast of Aruba during World War II, and the captain was German, and instead of handing his ship over to the Dutch, who were on the island at the time, he decided just to sink his own ship, and that's why it's here today. So I saw this Dutch-style windmill, so we had to stop, check it out real quick. But now we're gonna head back to the cruise port. Maybe I'm gonna get some shots of the cruise ship. I'm not sure if I can, but I'll try. There's the celebration behind me. Unfortunately, every spot I tried to fly the drone at was an unauthorized zone, so I guess we'll just have to try Bonaire and Curacao. And if neither of those ports, we're in Miami an extra day, and we all talked about going to the port of Miami, so I'll get some awesome shots of the celebration leaving for its next cruise. Now, we're heading back on the ship. We finally recharged ourselves back up from that epic day we just had in Aruba. Seriously, guys, if you are here late to 10 p.m. like we are, rent your own UTV, go on your own time, because it was a blast. I highly recommend it. Again, we went to George's Cycle and it was about $250 for the day. I can't remember the price. Definitely worth it. But now another good thing about being here in port late is we get to go track down the sunset. So we're about to head back out into port.
With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess anymore.
Alright guys, well guest back on board time is 9:30 and it is 9:29 right now. So that wraps up our day in Aruba. But first, we're going to see if there's any pier runners, which I really hope there's not since we've been here since 8 a.m., but you never know. And with that awesome nighttime Sailaway, that ends the Aruba vlog. So I'll see you guys in the next episode, which is Bon Air.